This is Michigan Moments, rediscovering the pioneering moments of the Great Lakes State. In the heart of northern Michigan, Cadillac emerged as a vital industrial hub in the early 1900s. Named after Antoine Lomé de la Motte, Sieur de Cadillac, the French explorer who founded Detroit, this town has been shaped by innovation and industry. Historic photos capture the bustling streets lined with businesses such as the Northwood Hotel, a cornerstone of Cadillac's downtown life. Here, people congregated in coffee shops, read the latest news, and communicated through telegraph offices. Nearby stood City Hall, an impressive architectural symbol of civic pride and prosperity. Industry was at the heart of Cadillac's identity. The St. John's Table Company, one of the town's largest employers, produced furniture shipped nationwide. The local turpentine factory, utilizing timber waste from lumber operations, exemplified Cadillac's efficient use of natural resources, turning waste into valuable products. Leisure also defined Cadillac. The Cadillac Boathouse Club on Lake Cadillac served as a social focal point, its elegant structure hosting dances, regattas, and community gatherings. Steamboats like the Westover carried residents and tourists alike across sparkling waters. Cadillac was also home to notable residents, including lightweight boxing champion Ad Wolgast. Wolgast became famous in the early 20th century, his fights drawing massive crowds. Most famously, his 1914 match against Willie Ritchie, attended by thousands. Through industry, recreation, and the strength of its residents, Cadillac grew into a town rich with history, marked by resilience and an enduring spirit. This has been Michigan Moments, offering bite-sized morsels of Michigan history.